Here I have the rear coilovers assembled, ready to go. I got the Super Pro isolators or coil spring seats or the upper mount seat, whatever you want to call it, however you want to call it. The fronts, I have them to the length that I want to start off at, 5 millimeters of preload to start off. And then we're going to start off with the medium setting on the dampening settings, because these are adjustable, right? And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I just got a box from Super Pro. The final parts that I need to put the G8 together. This is going to be sick for you G8 guys. You guys are really going to like this. Check this out. More boxes on top of boxes. Sneak peek, I see a nut busted through. Super Pro, shout out. We have the front sway bar bushings. Pretty sure these are the front lower control arms, because that's all I was waiting on. And these have the Super Pro bushings installed. So let's pop these open and check these out. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, a bag. I wonder what this bag's for. Like, why is there a bag here? Are the parts supposed to go in the bag? Or is this a bag just for me? Like a purse? Ooh. Damn. Got the Super Pro bushing. Ooh, these are tough. These are tough. Let's check out this ball joint. 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Sorry. Let's see. Ooh, those look like premium grade ball joint. With the premium grade bushing, this is gonna be a premium grade race car. Budget build. I don't know, I wouldn't consider this budget. I mean, this looks real good. This is nice stuff here. I'm so excited right now because I just installed Adrian's Super Pro sway bar bushings. Some nice bushings right there. Polyurethane upgrade. Can I help you? You forgot the tool I asked you for. It's okay, I'll forgive you this time. Oh, here comes the Avengers, the whole squad. There's the other one over there. Anyways, yes, we got some clean sway bar bushings in here. Ooh, these are sick. Shout out to Super Pro. Did a good job. We just bend this back right back into place. Yep, look at that. Just like that. Like factory. Like factory. No seam. No seam that it was ever bent. No proof. That's bone stock. Gee wee wees. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it looks like with the coilovers installed. I'm sorry I forgot a video with the tires and wheels off so you guys can see it, but let's check this thing out from some angles. Ooh, she is low. Damn, she's looking like a V8 just with the coilovers. Whew. She's low. I'm about to take her to the muffler shop. We're gonna get a muffler delete on this V6. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, obnoxious V6. YOLO, right? She got that thickness, the thickness on her. She's getting there little by little. All right, ladies and gentlemen, got some sweat in my eyes. We're gonna go ahead and do a before on this exhaust setup, bone stock V6 G8 base model. We're gonna give her a couple revs so you guys can hear this before and after, and then from here on we're going straight to the muffler shop to go make sure that we can make some Karens angry with the loud exhaust. There you have it, folks. Next time, this will be sounding like a 350Z. Stay tuned. So I'm currently here at the muffler shop. Check this out. God bless America. Shout out to AZ Mufflers. He gave me a Gatorade. Yeah, yeah. These are the ones that we took off of there. They're super heavy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds sick. V6. That G8 V6 sounds so good. Let me put it in neutral and rev it real quick for you guys for that one time. Yeah, Homer's G8 needs a little love, but it's a work in progress, guys. That's what we're doing here. Let's rev it one time. Damn. Cruising 70 down the highway. No drone. If I step on it a little, yeah, of course, it starts to get noisy. But just cruising at a constant speed, it's amazing. It's like it doesn't even have it. The muffler's deleted. And then I give it a little gas. Ooh, downshift. Let's go. Power. V6 power. I've never heard one of these muffler deleted V6, so I can't wait till we get home so I can really show you guys what it sounds like. It's a beautiful day today. It's Friday, 5th of July, day after Independence Day. Back here I got 2 tires. The other 2 are in the trunk. We're currently on our way to Llantera Yarib, which is my uncle's shop. And we're gonna get some 4 tires put on this baby. Adrian's G8. Balanced, alignment, everything. So let's do this. It's gonna look so sick with the new tires on because it's gonna take up even more of that wheel gap, which I'm gonna have to adjust the coilovers again, but that's okay because we got some fresh meats. Let me turn around and show you guys what this V6 sounds like. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna give it a little juice so you guys can hear that V6 from inside the cabin. Hope you guys heard that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Adrian's almost final rendition. We went to the tire shop today, La Llantera de mi tío, and we got ourselves, you know, some needles on there. No cheap Chinese. I'm not sure where needles are made, but we got the needles on there, brand new. I think it's a 245. Let's see, 245 ZR18. You know, it's a Z rated tire, which means this tire is capable of hitting 320 miles per hour. Let's keep going on. So we got the alignment done. The front has a lot less camber now, so tires are more straight like this. The angle, the rears though have a lot less camber now as well, but they're still out of spec. They're not exactly where I want them to be. So now that I know that they're out of spec, we need to go ahead and order up some adjustable arms, okay? Some adjustable arms that are beefy, so we can go ahead and get this into spec so she can handle way better, and so we can replace all the, we're gonna replace all the arms in the back. The lower control arm, we're gonna replace the tensioner arm, we're gonna replace the torsion rod, we're gonna replace everything, the upper control arm. These are parts that we're gonna get straight from Australia, mate, because you know what it is, a Pontiac G8 holds them up. So, I went and got the muffler delete, as you guys remember. You'll see that a couple clips sooner than this one. Let's go ahead and see what this V6 3.6 liter. Alright bro, you ready?
Ready, Freddy?
This thing pops like crazy. That's a warm start too. She's pretty hot. In Phoenix, we don't have cold starts in the summer. That's idle. Check out this rev. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, check it out, guys. If you want to make your neighbors angry, you can do it. Go to your local muffler shop. Get a muffler delete. Guaranteed to piss them off. Guaranteed. Works every time. Unless you have neighbors that are into stuff like this. But you probably don't. You probably have you turn it down, you know, that type of neighbor. That's not what we have around here. Or we might, I don't know. But yeah, this is Adrian's Pontiac G8. I still need to adjust the ride height. Now that we have the new tires, the ride height is, you know, not perfect on every level. So all the tires they had on it before were all different. Now we need to adjust the ride height to make sure she's perfect. We want to make sure it's like this. You see this? How my fingers can't go in straight because it hits the tire. That's what I want. I want it to go up. It needs to tuck. It needs to tuck a little bit of tire. Like, that's perfect. Show it right here, like from this angle. There you go. See how it's like, it's dead on. If anything, I might need to lower it. I don't know. We'll see. As long as it doesn't rub, I'm down to keep going on. The question is Adrian. Just kidding. He already gave me his approval. He was like, you know, I'm not opposed to it. I'm like, okay. And we got some fresh brakes on there. Now, what is left to do on this? I need to do the transmission service. I need to do the differential service. And then adjust the ride height. We're going to give a good detail. Adrian doesn't know. It's a secret. I'm going to hire somebody to detail his car. It's disgusting in there. He throws some nasty farts. You should see how you should see how it smells. So we're going to get it nice and detailed up. It's going to look like a brand new car. And yeah, so stay tuned because we're still not done. Just a little update for you guys for today, July 5th, day after Independence Day. Technically, every day is Independence Day if you really think about it because we're free. So, happy Independence Day, July 5th, baby. All right. It's another successful night working on the Pontiac G8 with Adrian over there. Let's see what we did today. So today, Adrian swapped the mirror. Now we can see all the haters in our blind spot.
Got rid of this piece of shit.
Damn, bro, you did a good job. Yeah, show us what was old one looking like. Oh, it was just done, huh?
Yeah, it was done with it.
It was done with, okay.
Completely.
And then I made some coil adjustments and I slammed it. And this is as low as it'll go. It does not get lower than this. So, at least not with these Megan Racing coils. So, sometime today, during the day, he's going to come over because we're going to make the final. Well, actually, no. Tomorrow we have something coming for the back of this that I can't disclose yet. It'll be here tomorrow. And we're going to install it tomorrow. Oh, and then he got some seat skins. Ooh, Frank. Hold your breath. We just got this in the mail today. Supposedly this is a Chevrolet. Oh, this is a factory GM part. Damn, this thing's pretty sick. So this is the diffuser that comes on the Pontiac G8 GXP. It's pretty sick. And look, it has these little pockets for like reflectors. And then it has this little pocket here, this little square that you can cut out and put like a light. Have you seen those cars that have?
No, you're supposed to show it on the video instead of
light.
like slapping it with the camera.
We're about to install this baby right now. Right now. Reveal. Bam. This is the GXP diffuser. Straight from Chevrolet Performance. Whoo, sick. I didn't know it had these little pockets. I didn't know I needed. So now I'm going to order some LED reflectors for both sides. And I'm also going to order the third brake light here. So that way, less susceptible to being rear-ended. But man, that looks freaking good. Side profile. Gee whiz.